Yes, pumpkin is often considered a superfood because of its impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Here are 7 reasons to include pumpkin in your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients, low in calories, pumpkin is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, while being low in calories. This makes it a nutrient-dense food that supports overall health. 2. Boosts immunity. High levels of vitamin A and C help strengthen your immune system, making your body more resistant to infections and illnesses. 3. Supports eye health. Pumpkin is an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for good vision and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 4. Aids in weight loss. Its high-fiber content helps you feel full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and supporting weight management. 5. Promotes heart health. Pumpkin contains potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, which help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and support heart health. 6. Good for skin health. The antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene and vitamin C, protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and promote collagen production, keeping skin youthful. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Pumpkin has compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great choice for those managing or preventing diabetes. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet, whether in soups, smoothies, roasted dishes, or baked goods, can provide numerous health benefits while adding flavor and variety to your meals. Would you like some pumpkin-based recipe ideas?